Good morning, welcome to Sebring Slot Cars. We're getting ready to start our first race of the day. We have Don Parsons on green, Bob Struck on orange, Henry Hake on blue, Caesar Roulier on purple, Grant Fonda on black. This is our CanAm Coupe race, so let's go to racing. Eat over. All right. That puts Grant Fonda and Bob Struck tied at 37 each. Not sure who's in the lead. But we're 37-37 Bob Struck and Grant Fonda, 36 for Don Parsons, 34 for Caesar. Caesar, you go to yellow. And 33 for Henry Hake. Good. Heat over. All right, Grant Fonda is your sole leader with 56 laps. Bob Struck is in second place with 54 laps. Don Parsons and Caesar Roulier at 52 each. Henry Hake 49. Laps that segment: Grant 19, Bob Struck 17, Caesar 18, Don Parsons and Henry each with 16. So that's a good heat. my car. All right, winding this heat up. We're halfway through the race.
Whoa! That was all of it on orange. It came up on 2 wheels.
And laid on its side.
Yeah, she was up for a second. Stuff moved.
Heat over.
These are hanging it out.
All right. Grant Fonda leads by 1 lap with 74, Bob Struck 73, Caesar with 69, Don Parsons 68, and Henry Hake 66. Laps that segment, Bob Struck picked up a lap on the field with 19, Grant with 18, 17 for Caesar and Henry, and Don Parsons with 16. Yeah, except for I missed it, had it on the wrong screen. Too many distractions today. Heat over. All right, Grant Fonda, 91 laps. Bob Struck 90. Caesar with 86. Don with 84. And Henry Hake 83. Laps that segment. Grant, Bob, and Caesar and Henry all with 17. Don Parsons 16. Good heat, guys. Bob Struck had fast lap with a 6.184. Fonda with 91, Bob Struck 90, Caesar with 86, Don Parsons 84, and Henry Hake 83. Yeah, that'd be good for the wash machine. You remember getting them other ones out of your pocket the other day? Another treasure? Spacer? Heat over. Your leader picked up another lap on the field with 111. Bob Struck 109. Don Parsons 102. Caesar Rulier 101. And Henry Hake 100. All right, heat over. All right. Grant Fonda 129, Bob Struck 127 for the open cockpit. In the coupes, it'll be Don Parsons and Caesar Rulier tied at 119 each, and Henry Hake at 115. Laps that segment. Grant and Bob each with 18. Caesar with 18, Don Parsons 17, and 15 for Henry. All right, don't you marshals get distracted. Heat over. Race over. I need putters. All right, so Grant Fonda is your winner in the open cockpit with first place. Bob Struck second place. In the coupe division, Caesar won his first race in the coupe division with 137 laps. Don Parsons second place with 135. Henry Hake 133. So the coupes go first. Open cockpit.